Booming my people them one principal boss, you know. You wanna watch that video, I wanna share up that video, I wanna like and subscribe. I wanna watch a video right to it and listen. Listen. That video you not go for nobody special. You see me? Straight up. We just a show what go on in our world. I wanna listen to that one. Good. I wanna share it to a friend and tell another friend to tell another friend. Subscribe to the Principal Boss channel. People don't know how we think already. Listen to that one.
Closest people them where you're there around is more important than any other thing. So if your mother be a foreign, and you're around with your friend every day, you're dinner your friend house every day, and you sleep around your turn, your friend is more important than your mother at that time.
People, you don't know a real bad cat to represent for that channel.
Work out way.
It was blonde. Do your thing.
Sometimes a man feel like say, you're there foreign and you don't call him.
I call him.
See? Look
Say
on
him
this,
can't
you know.
call you.
Yeah, but
And him can't call you.
no,
Are you
no,
foreign?
because you're there foreign. So, actually, you left, are you
Yeah.
for your call, right? But differently, we don't pre that.
No, do that.
What me I say? A down third person like me, me just I do what you do.
Do what you do.
You understand me?
Yeah, man.
And at the end of the day, the do me
Yeah.
thing is a part of it too. Me I say me I do me.
Yeah.
At the end of the self, me can't do you.
No.
Me don't know what you a do.
Yeah.
A Jamaica or me don't know what you a do. And next set a man, you're there foreign, you want you for call. When me there Jamaica, me not call you, brother.
Yeah.
Why the fuck me come a foreign now and if you call you?
Call.
What's up? Eh? Brother, let me tell you man. You see, we too dirty monks for one another more time, my youth. And that make we come up with some bag of fuckery more time, brother. And if people not understand, say the closest people them, where you are there around, I feel them time, brother. For them time until we the one side.
Yes, yeah.
You know what, as me done I tell you, know much brother and sister live bad just because they're distant.
Distant. Bad man.
And anyhow, then did under one roof, you know, brother. My youth.
Then, yeah.
When me I tell you about distant, you know, me not talk about like overseas and all them places there, you know, brother.
Yeah.
We mean one piece of land too.
Yeah.
One piece of land, but because your sister have a house over here, so your brother have a house over here, so and everybody have a house over here, so then separate house there.
Separate.
It's a distant, you know.
A distant.
So everybody have to try mind their own business
What
like.
is this?
So anytime you see something come up, the one that we are telling himself say, yo, him a doing one thing over here, so. You know, take him nothing for you to like you and one mess you up, man.
No.
Done.
That's true.
Yeah, you know for the far. When we are talking about close now, you are talking about the people them where you're there around. And them people you tamper with your drinks,
Yes.
your food.
Yes.
When you are asleep, them people are still they around you where they have this access where they can even touch you.
Yes, man.
You understand me?
Yeah, you
So,
surround him.
eh?
Yeah, man, you're close around him.
Yeah, so them people there, you directly if you look out for them people, they're real good.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
Yes, man.
Because these people you don't want their mind to get messy with them.
No.
Eh?
No, sir.
You would have want to know say now, you're in the room you know. We do much somebody we are sleeping in so now. You know what not as me I tell you, know, not one of them you don't want to have something with you know.
No.
Because guess what? You still not gonna know who do your thing. So
You're not going to know who.
you understand me?
You know
So
me.
you just want to live clean with everybody for them live
Yes,
back
man.
clean with you.
With you.
So right now, because you're there, so focus on the live clean
Yeah.
around you.
Yeah.
With the work where you go, them people that we are work with, you have to watch them.
You have to
The
watch
taxi where you are traveling, you have to watch the driver.
Yes.
You understand because I am close to you, you know.
Yeah, man.
When you come in and know the room where you're staying with all them people here, we come from different places.
Yeah,
you have to watch yourself, see them, we and live clean with them.
Clean with them.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So all who they are Jamaican now, we know my youth. Claim say no, you not like them no more.
Yeah.
You not check in with them. And you not do that and you not do that, brother. But they don't know where you are got you out here. You have to make certain you show the love out here so if you live.
True, man.
When we the back on the foot, brother,
Yeah.
a straight love when I like we lose it.
Yeah.
But I just the focus
Yeah, focus, man.
when you did that, brother. Oh the fuck me if you go tell them now. Me if you come in one room now where force somebody in and me and force somebody else stay and then me I go tell them force somebody else say yo no move no. You
Yeah.
understand me? All of my friend in there, Jamaica, and my
Yeah.
family, and me know you know nothing we do no
Yeah.
sitting. And still let me if you left me food all about the place.
about the
And me
place.
drink. Oh, me I go comfortable.
Yeah. You go comfortable.
And for me do that, oh, me I go comfortable, brother.
Mhm. You go comfortable.
First thing, if people find out say me, I go round them and me is a trouble to them.
Mm.
So 4 are we in a room.
Mhm.
And me and one trouble in a so to 3 or no.
Yeah.
What do you think so now do?
Problem start create now.
Then problems don't must start create, brother. And then plan out to get blood clot me out here, man.
Get you out here. Yeah, pussy.
I in a many way.
Yeah, man. Different all way.
Then you eat me, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
We are plan all type of way, you know what say you the boy, you know, and go on a way, we can't trust him, you know.
Yeah, to see him.
You understand me?
Mhm.
And me good appreciate him when you say me can't trust it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Brother, nothing can good.
Yeah, man.
It can't good.
And you also got you up on the compound.
I want him to your brother, man.
Yeah, man.
I want him to your man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Compound and man, say, boy, that run on 9.
Right now, when time my Jamaican people them, when me left at home, no shout me. Don't tell me one man if you no shout me.
Yeah.
Bad man, me not take if it be no problem.
No.
Because guess what? She did it and she a try do what she a do, a try
Yeah,
secure
yeah,
what she
yeah,
can
yeah,
secure.
yeah,
And her
yeah.
life, her
Yeah, man.
movements around her, and everything, brother.
Yeah.
I see and think me what you do.
Yes, man.
You understand me, brother?
Mhm.
So when time we link. When we call, we can call. You understand me? You have to be comfortable to fi call, you know, brother.
Yes, man. Comfortable if you call.
And when you call, you can't stay long to call. You still have to make certain say the people them where you're there. You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
You not disturb them
You not
because
disturb
you don't
them.
want that to happen.
You know what I feel?
Okay. Let me tell you, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Mhm.
When time I tell you about all them topic, yeah, brother. A real topic, man.
A real topic,
Some
man.
people feel like people not like them,
Like
or they not interested in them. But the closest people to you, bro,
Mhm.
them people that you have to look out for right now.
Yes, man.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You have to look out for the closest people them around your car.
Yes, man.
If you not look out for them not look out for you.
What you talk about?
You stay there. You drop asleep in here and the next 3 man a plan say you want make a bunny down with him.
You're going on with the mean there. Yes.
Because then you give a problem.
Get rid
You
of it.
understand me, brother?
That's true.
Don't try to be the one with them, with 3 of them that they get you like that. You see me, bro? Yeah, when you go work, nobody at work don't like you because guess what? You there work and you go like you don't know nobody or you don't like nobody there because you all your people then left for Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
When time a man walk up your so and make and swinging cutlass across your face up your so,
Yeah.
make Jamaican stop it.
Can't stop it.
No, you don't care your closest friend and your mother and your woman down there. Make them stop the cutlass they will swing.
Can't stop it.
You don't.
Can't.
Don't. Me I tell you, brother. So some people always a look, boom, I try if you look in my box. Yo, miss a piece of yam, piece of tomato, and but you know, see, look a cooking oil when I see up outside.
If in a life, you know, you with the, you grow with the sister and brother, you know.
Yeah,
You see, when you go out and take a woman,
yeah.
and your family, you know.
Yes!
Them are your relative, you know.
Yeah, that,
Your brother, your sister become the relative, you know.
yeah,
You make a family, you know.
yes.
But no family, if you say, no, and I say, go, man, be a family.
Yeah.
No, and I say, go.
No.
When you live together, brother and sister in a one house, yeah, you know a family.
But that I me tell you say they say closest coming, bro.
Yes. But
It, woman where you take up, you know.
Yeah.
You sleep with him at night time.
Them you sleep.
He might cook your food for you.
your food for you.
Brother. Let me tell you this. It's closer than you think.
Oh, you mean?
If I live with you, I deal with the half, I live with the person too. Cause I, you know,
Alright.
where tune and say where, yeah. You Dexter on tune and say you don't fight with him.
Oh,
Like-
yeah. Yeah, Dexter.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
he must say, like a boy I give you trouble just by his
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
You understand me, brother? So look no brother, look good. Let me tell you what me talk about. The woman where you have there,
Yeah.
if you make him feel and blood clot comfortable. When you come in and get your dinner,
Yeah.
remember, he might cook for you,
I'm
no?
not confused.
Are you cook for yourself? And if you even not cook for yourself, where you go do? Walk with you go anywhere you go, you know?
Yeah.
Because you can't leave you and come back and eat in either.
Mm-mm.
Don't.
And that do fuck up.
Because woman no uncomfortable.
Yeah.
No, that's how you gotta live your life. If you make people uncomfortable, you have to go live for your own uncomfortable too.
Yeah. True.
So that some people don't understand.
Yeah.
And most people, me I tell you, brother, get caught up
Yeah.
because of the life for them I live and I try protect themselves.
Yeah.
But meanwhile, them I protect themselves, you have a person where you say, look here, no man. You know, say, nah, move good.
Yeah.
In a theme where you now
Yeah,
move
yeah,
good
you
enough.
now move good.
Just because you come up, man, and you now make the phone call like where you get there now, man.
Yeah.
And a man go call you, know, you make a one call,
Yeah.
and a man tell you, so, yo, you don't call me, and,
Yeah.
and I vex with you.
Vex with you.
Him know where you do it, yeah? You know where him do down there?
We down there. That's true.
Me tell me whole year the what day you say bad man. Mommy, you know, say when time me even feel sick, me no call you.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you there we are foreign.
Yeah, yeah.
And what you know? We are going to do for me.
Yeah.
Me not just find doctor go.
And
I go do what me have to do, brother.
Yeah.
You understand me?
You have to do.
Me not put no stress on nobody, brother.
No.
Boom, me go me take up phone call now and I'll call and I tell man, my brethren I know you call and my brethren I tell me say, yo, me tired, yo, fuck, brother, me know say right now, me say, you don't know where work up, mash me. Where that do? Eh? Where that do, Claudia?
That make no sense.
It don't make no sense, bro. Some more time you just chill and try to get your rest.
Yeah, man. That no solve nothing.
You know, some don't say me forward in, brother, me just gone on my bed, not even moms, me no call nobody, me gone on my bed.
Yeah.
When me go call and say, yo, me reach in and me tired, you know, so. Man, we are bigger than that if deal with, bro.
Bigger fish for fry.
Yeah, no fish. You know, I fry no fish, bro. You see what me I tell you, brother?
Yeah,
But me I tell you, my brother, people need to start focus on know, say, yo, make people do them thing, man.
Yeah.
And not because me not shout you. That no mean, say, brother, me and you are no close link the same way. Me just
Everything
out
good,
and I
yeah.
do a thing differently. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Why make you think so when time people dead them? Why make you think so your own a mother will bring you upon earth and dead? And in a certain little time, you try if you forgot about it.
Yeah, man. You know, first half.
Dead people can't help you.
Yeah.
Then you can't talk to dead people.
No.
You can't. You understand me when me say, my brother?
Don't do that already.
You done there foreign already, brother. You have to tough out foreign.
Yeah.
When you're there yard, you look at yard people them who know he nothing.
Yeah.
Fuck who they are foreign now.
Yeah.
You understand me, brother? When a year time, bro. No run down no time, man. Stay in your lane more time, bro. You understand? Yeah, you look at Brethren used to go drink one rum one time when they are Jamaica.
Yeah.
You're there up here now. You ain't can go out there so go drink rum?
No.
Eh? So where one? Where one from you? Eh? Why you a full time? We know ourselves now, man. You see me, brother?
Full time.
When we there near, man, I eat, man. It closest me, I tell you, brother. It closest people them to you right now. Open your eye.
Yeah.
Run them.
On them.
We have people, you know, mean so we not love you know where they out there, you know, brother.
Yeah.
But right now, we have to protect ourselves. And the people them where they're around, you have to protect them for them protect you.
Yeah.
Remember good no man. So me I say when you reach home back and go down, you see the person where say you never call him, him build up a H's for you, know, because him a say you're man a friend no more, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So when you reach back in your community now, you see all of them people that we did build up that thing amongst you, and I say, Ray, them, you know, are the set of people, you know, brother. You have to watch out for, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Because remember, you said them tell themselves, say, you're the man a friend, you know.
Yeah.
So if you ever come back now, and you're about, they don't like you.
No.
And then if you become move, if you even walk go out the road there, so, and you can't come down in a one new crep or nothing, a man say, my shoe off. A man, the quickest thing for them put on you now, you boast you and all type of something and then start do a bag of thing, bro. So that may I tell you if you show you how people can stay. And you not have that amongst them, you know. You just go and do about your business. But because that did happen, a man a claim say, yo, you're the back of my foot now. Before now, you're the back of my foot, you know. So now I time where you go show him now the love, you know. Because you didn't know if you show him, you know. You're the right when they know if you show him love because you're the back now there, you know. And at that time, him build up something and tell himself, say, see him when you say, you not rate him. Or you are this and you are that. And him start a plan how to get rid of you now. You understand me?
Yes, man.
Or enough to deal with you or all them thing there. You understand me? So, when we da start the argument, we da talk about you da talk about less friend and less family and the thing. So most time it's good if you keep less surrounding.
It's better, man.
Because you won't have a lot of people for your murmur and
Yeah.
say, pussy wall, you not call
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah.
Or you understand what I say, my brother? Or how comes you not send nothing for me? Or you understand
You
me?
know how to be friend, so-
Yes. So you, because you keep your circle small. So and then so you just start the argument.
Yeah,
So
man.
you see which way and that because the make we start reason, you know. You understand?
True, man.
Dog,
Yeah.
you not have no bag of somebody know we are going to call you and tell you say, when them did say, oh, you not call them, man.
Yeah.
Like I alone have their number.
Yeah, yeah.
They not, you know, them not feel.
Yeah, what do you?
Or Jamaican number can call foreign number. And only foreign number can call Jamaican
yeah.
number.
Mhm.
You understand? And a WhatsApp not really work so. You know?
Yeah.
When you're there Jamaica, you can call a foreign on WhatsApp. And all the foreign people can call you Jamaica on WhatsApp. You know. But I say, look, you see me. You see me, brother? Because one phone call. Because me not see there is nothing more what can happen between a foreigner and a Jamaican.
Yeah. True.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Or wherever you come from.
Yes,
Me not see nothing more what can happen but a phone call. And all because of a phone call. A man hate you.
Man, yet you. Just have a phone call.
Yeah. And he not hate you, you know. Because if he did really need to call, you know. If he did really need to talk
Yeah.
to you.
Yeah.
Him could have just take up his phone and call you.
Exactly. Me up over there, right now, me have one cousin in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
And when I say, me have a reason, I say calling to me, man, say, listen, man. Who you?
Yeah.
Who want call you?
Yeah.
Now, busy call now, who not call, phone no want call.
Yeah.
Anybody who fi call, you call.
Yes. But that's what I see it too.
So, anybody want you, then call you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No, if you call, say, Harry, boy, Harry, if you call you and Harry should call. No, if Harry want call, he go call you.
Yes.
If you
Yeah.
not go want call, you not go call you.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
call who you want call.
Yeah.
Anybody want to call you?
Mm-hmm.
And they read, Papa. But that family or friend.
I recall, you know, when I tell you, say, oh, you not call me, yo, you know, say it. It hurt, you know, because you not call, you know. But at least I recall and tell you, boy.
Yeah.
So now you can hear what me have to say then, Harry. You know,
Yeah.
it's a big man thing, brother, you know, say, tough out, yeah. You know, say, me not no time. I wonder if I even believe what you say. Wait till you say you not no time. You have a time, I recall. You understand? If you not get me, if you call me straight, you not get me, because one thing with me, you know. There is no time I go see a missed call.
Yeah.
Me no must can answer the phone.
Yeah.
Me no must can, but me ha go get back to the person
man, of course.
one night time and say, yo, me see your missed call what day about Ray Ray.
Yeah,
You see me, I say, brother? You can't send me a message where me I go look pan and you see me read the message after months and me still not deal with you. No, you can't have something to say, well, boy, you don't want to deal with me. You see what me I say?
Yeah.
Cause you read the message and you not answer me back now for a month or two. So it directly I show you say, which way? Me still can't look on it so because what you know, you can read the message too. But when me busy out here, all 1 month me still can't answer you.
True.
So I will if I wait to it, bro.
Wait.
You see me I say? And but at the end of the day, me go and have to go check back with you because you left a message.
Yeah.
You understand, my brother? But remember, you know, no go come, you know. Man, that's something you in your bubble gum.
Yeah.
You see, just when I do that, man, a charm, man, and girl a chow up on your name, you fetch.
Yeah.
Oh, how much in month now they send your message and you don't answer them, your plate, your pot, your spoon, yo. You hear? I say world run, brother. So, you just have to stay in your lane and try your best. Try your best. But where we are trying to make people know, say, the closest people them where you're around is more important than any other else thing.
Yeah. Closest people them on.
Listen good, you know. The closest people them where you're there around is more important than any other else thing. So if your mother there foreign and you're around one of your friend every day, you're there at your friend house every day and you sleep around you eat around, your friend is more important than your mother at that time.
Yes, man. Of course.
The people them where you're there around is more important than any other else thing.
Yes, man.
Remember good?
True.
Somebody from Jamaica can't drop nothing in a tea right here, so now we not claddy.
No.
Are you?
True.
When they right here with me,
Of course.
You hear me talk?
And then the toes numbers.
You hear me talk?
Yeah, man.
So me tell you this, brother.
Yes, man.
You see what me I talk about?
Mhm.
Blessed.
Yeah.
Blessed. Right now your belly take you.
Mhm.
And you're there on a ball for your belly and something, man.
Mhm.
Pick up phone call. Pick up phone call now. Call that nah help, brother.
Nah, hell.
I must emergency, I go pick up a call.
Yeah, man.
And more time to emergency, them come like them late.
Yeah.
Sometimes if somebody not there, your foot you so with the right your foot you so for run with you.
Mhm.
Sometimes you understand me, bro?
Yeah, man. Some of the close. Yeah.
So no see what me I talk about when me I tell you say it close is somebody way you have to deal with is very important.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Very important.
Right now you look upon a man and tell him, alright, you have all your room in there, so you look upon your room and make him know say, yo brother, you know right now you're important to me. Right now more my mother, my woman, my brother, my sister. And he would even know what you talk about, you know?
In a say,
Eh?
you know, the funny how we are, but when you get the full understanding, you go look to it and say, "Achoo."
But the full understanding really are sure.
Yeah.
Your mother they are way you, your woman they are way you, your friend then they are way you, everybody feel they are way you.
Yeah, man.
The most important person to you are the roomie where you have.
Yes, man.
And him can grab you and dry you.
Mhm.
And him can chew something in your food.
Yes, man.
And him can make any move. Because he's a human. You have to focus on the person, the man. A person that way you and him rap so right away at that time. Him very important to you.
Yeah,
Just
man.
like how you should important to him too.
Yeah, man.
You understand me? That is it, brother man. I eat man. No joke.
Just like that.
Booming up people. I mean and Claudia. And we in our house right now. We not gonna work yet. So we just make a vibes man. Some kind of liberty we are going. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it attack Claudia and we are talk about it. A booming. Until you see principle soon, you know, Jamaica when time forward, we are booming up the thing again. Find out say channel kinda dep on a pause now. But as me say, everything have their own time.
Yes, man.
Booming. Yes, sir.